Hi, this is Susie. Today we're going to plant dahlias. This is the Dahlia Duet, and I'm going to do the Calvin Floodlight. Beautiful yellow. And these are the tubers. When you do these, make sure the eye, right here's the eye, it goes up. That's the eye. And here's the one on here that goes up. That's the eye of the tuber. There's 2 in each bag here. And so we're going to be putting these in. And I put stakes in here already so I wouldn't hurt the roots later on. Okay, let's put these over here. Where's the next one in here? Let's see if it does anything. This away. And this can go down here. Alright, I think first I'm going to put this one right in front of the stake. Dig a hole right here. There's the eye on this one. Right there. I'm going to put that right in there. Put this little one in there to cover that up. There's 2 in there, so we'll put this one on this side. There's the eye on that one right there. Put that one in. Cover that up. I'm going to have to put more stakes in there. Let me move this. Alright, for the other one, let's bring that up. Okay, that's the eye right there. I'm going to put that in. Bury that. I'll put the other one right next to it. And there's the eye of that one. Right there. Put that in. Now these can come back every year. You can also do these in the windowsill with a little dirt and keep it moist in a sunny window when it's still cold out in your area. I did that last time and it came out pretty well. Oops, sorry about my finger in the picture. Okay, and I'm going to put this right back here. And that'll help because they get pretty big. So we got 4 in there. Calvin Floodlight. And we got Dahlia Duet. And we'll see how these do. I'll keep you updated on them. If you have any questions or comments, write them in the comments below, and I'll be glad to try to answer them for you. And thank you for watching. This is Susie. Bye-bye for now.